Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to use the count A function in Excel. So basically what is count A function? Count A function will count the cells which contain a number, which is a numeric value. It can contain a text. It can also contain a special character. So it will not ignore this. It will include that in the total count, right? So let's get started. So basically it is going to ignore the blank cells only, right? So how do we write this formula? So to write any formula in Excel, you will start with an equal to sign. So I will say count A, and here as you can see it says that counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty, right? So I'll press the tab key here, then I have to select my range here. So my range will be from B2 until B10, and I'll close my bracket here, and then when I press enter you can see the result is 6. So there are 6 cells that contain a value. Basically it can be any value, it can be a number, it can be a text, it can be a special character as well. So I hope that this video has been informative for you. Please do subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one. Thank you.